Yo, ladies and gentlemen, this is Yo King of Hell. I'm building a new PC, and well, uh, I'm using the Zach Tech. Um, what his advice is on his little free PC building help. All right, I'm building this because this it seemed like I can update it, but right now that all I can afford. So I'm gonna have this with like less than $200. I already got one, so I'm using that. And this had I think DDR5. Uh, so I don't see it, but I'm using this motherboard. Only reason why I think the motherboard is DDR5. This is DDR5. And I got a full. I already save up. Not save up. I already pick a full gig. I don't know, full gigabyte one. And this, I might see if I can get a cheaper one, or I might just get it because I think it's like 800. If it's 800, I might just turn around and get a cheap 4070. So this is 4060 Ti. And also I'm getting this, but I'm getting the highest one I can get. And I think that is 850 outage. And I might just use the case I have downstairs if I can find it. Or I might just get this. This is like $60. But it's gonna be a standalone video. I'm doing this on my test stream on YouTube because where is it? Yeah, because I was having trouble streaming the past 2 days, and I don't know if it my setting of OBS, but right now this is fine. I'm doing yeah. So far, I'm having no trouble with streaming, and I did a online game, so I had no trouble. So I don't know, but if you guys think this is a good idea, PC, but I believe it a DDR5, so I can do a update when I need it. So I'm not gonna stay having this 4060 because I do want a 4090 when I can afford it. But if you guys want to, you can help me get the PC, but you don't have to. I think tomorrow I am going to buy some parts. So right now, I think we're going to maybe cost me close to uh 1500 for everything I want. So this 46 will go up probably Friday or something. But the link be in the bottom if you want to help out. You don't have to. No matter what, I'm gonna get it probably this year because the parts are together. When I expensive. When I have money, I can get it. It might take a while, and I will do a video of me building it, or a stream of me building it. But that is it. I hope you guys have a good day. And yeah. But that's what I'm going to build. I think he have this as just 500. Oh, 1 gigabyte. But I hope you guys have a good day. That is it. This is what I'm going to build when I have the money. And yeah.